Well, here we are in the beautiful Cascade Mountains of Oregon. We're at below Elliott Glacier on the north slope of Mount Hood. Now, Elliott Glacier was once much larger and actually part of the local mountain glaciers on the stratovolcanoes in the Cascades. At the end of the Ice Age, the glaciers melted, and during the recent 130 years, the glaciers have mostly melted around the Earth, revealing what a glacier produces. It produces moraines, like this lateral moraine we're on right now, and down in the middle there's what's called ground moraines. And generally out in this area there would be end moraines, but the end moraine is broken all the way through, probably from glacial meltwater that has destroyed it. An end moraine is where debris is piled up in front of a glacier, the terminal part of the glacier, or the end of the glacier. That's why they call it a terminal or end moraine. And also it piles up along the edge. Those are called lateral moraines. Also, debris piles up where it melts, and it kind of forms a rolling surface with erratic boulders on the top. That's called ground moraine. And that's what we see around glaciated areas today. We can go to areas like this which were previously glaciated to see what glaciers produce in the rocks. One of them is this lateral moraine. A second one is it scratches the bedrock as boulders and all kinds of other debris, cobbles, gravel, ends up in the bottom of the glacier. It scrapes across the bedrock, forming striations and scratches. And then the rocks at the bottom of the glacier also get scratched. And a lot of times you see these scratched boulders left in the moraines, like this one that I'm standing on right here has scratches going like this. And it's been smoothed off at the top, called faceted. You look for these features, moraines, scratched bedrock, and scratched boulders in other areas of the Earth. And this is how they concluded that there was an ice age not that long ago.